Do you think Jose Rizal was against Catholicism or was he only criticizing the abuses of fairs? Why?
Jose Rizal was not against Catholicism itself, but was deeply critical of the abuse and corruption within the Catholic Church, especially the Spanish prayers during colonial period in the Philippines. Rizal was a nationalist who advocated for reform and social justice, and he saw the prayers as an instrument of operation. In Filipino society, he criticized their control over both religious and political life which stated the progress and welfare of the people. In summary, Rizal was not against Catholicism but was a fierce critic of the prayers abuses which he saw detrimental to Filipino society and its moral and social fabric.
How do you think Rizal's views on religious influenced Filipino society?
Intellectual and moral reformation Rizal intellectual approach to religion also inspired many Filipinos to be more critical and thoughtful about their faith, encourage an education based on reason, science, and critical thinking, which allowed Filipinos to challenge the unquestionable authority of religious leaders and embrace more progressive ideas especially in terms of governance and human rights.
Why is it important for students today to understand Rizal's perspective on religion?
It is important for students today to understand Jose Rizal's perspective on religion for several reasons. Social justice and reform. Rizal critique of the abuses of the Catholic Church and the Spanish prayers highlights the importance of standing up against injustice. Today, students can learn from his advocacy to reform, particularly in addressing issues and equality, human rights, and social welfare. His perspective teaches that it is essential to fight for justice in all areas of society, including the proper role of religion in shaping a fair and just society.